are going to love 2021 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, center armrest. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.